Hi, boys and girls. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to work on your Google slide for your informational writing now that we are ready to put that together. So on Google Classroom, you're going to find this already in your file for you. You now have to go and just personalize it. And you're going to want to start by choosing a theme. Okay, now my themes on my computer are all down over here. Yours might be right here where you can choose them. Okay, and you get to choose whichever theme you want. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and on this page, my title is going to be whatever I was researching. So red eye frog was my topic. Okay, you can resize this box. You can increase the font. What I ask is that whichever theme you choose, you kind of stick to that font. Don't change the fonts throughout your Google slide. So once you have a theme, stick to the font. Okay, now your subtitle is going to be your name, your number, and the date. So today is April 3rd. Okay, you're going to put whatever today's date is that you're working on this. All right, and you guys can go ahead and adjust that. If you want to add an image here, you can. I'll show you how to add images in just a moment. But what you're going to find is once you finish your title page, you're going to click to slide number 2. Okay, boys and girls, this is going to be your introduction. Okay, and what you're going to do is whatever your introduction paragraph was, you're going to want to put that in here. Okay, sorry, I spelled introduction wrong. And then I also want you to make sure that there's at least one image on every single slide. Now with your text boxes, you can make them smaller if you want and add your image over here. You can keep them large and add your image inside. It's your choice. Once you're done with your introduction, you are going to head on over to whatever your subtopic was. Okay, subtopic 1. Okay, what I want you to do is I actually want you to replace these words with what your subtopic was. So maybe mine was going to be characteristics. I totally spelled that wrong. There we go. Characteristics. Okay, and then I'm going to add the information from my subtopic 1 paragraph with characteristics, and I'm going to make sure that my image that I put here goes with what I wrote about. Okay. All right, so I hope that makes sense so far. So then you're going to keep going down to replace subtopic 2 with whatever your subtopic was. Okay, next slide is subtopic 3. Remember, erase these and actually type the title of your subtopics. Okay, you're going to go to the next slide and do subtopic 4. Erase this, make this title your subtopic. You can center it, you can bold it, you can make it bigger. That's up to you. And then your last slide is going to be your conclusion. And so then I want you to take your conclusion paragraph and I want you to add that in this box with more images. Okay, and that's pretty much it for your Google slide. If for some reason you need more slides, okay, so I'm going to go back right here. Let's say that you actually had 5 subtopics and you need to add a new slide for a 5th one. You're going to go to Insert, New Slide. And what you're going to notice, it appears right there for you. If for some reason you accidentally do that, you can go ahead. Oops, let me get rid of that. You can go ahead and just click on it and click delete, and it will delete the slide. So your slideshow should be at least 7 slides total. Again, you have your title page, your introduction, your 4 subtopics, and your conclusion. Don't forget images on